Ready to make your cat's coin perform a Tron transaction? First, you'll need a Tron-compatible wallet like TronLink. Open it up and look for something that says Discover or DApp browser. This unlocks the world of decentralized apps. Now in that DApp browser, you are going to go to a decentralized exchange or DEX that supports cats. A popular one is often JustSwap, but be sure the DEX you choose lists cat's coin. Next, connect your wallet within the DEX and select cats in the From field. Then choose TRX or another Tron-based token in the To field. Tap the arrow to select the direction you want to trade in. Input the amount of cats you want to swap and make sure to verify the exchange rate and any potential fees. Once you're happy, click that swap button. Finally, your TronLink wallet will pop up, asking you to confirm the transaction. After reviewing, hit confirm and make sure you have enough TRX in your wallet to cover the gas fees. And that's how you complete a cat's transaction on the Tron network. Happy trading!